In this 7th video of the series, The Causes of the Change of the Planet, we will discuss the Antares supernova, timeline and events. The solar system is located in a position in the galaxy where there is little protection from galactic cosmic rays. Furthermore, the position of the gas planets, which protect us from galactic radiation, is opposite to the position of the Earth in the solar system, from April to the end of July. This will be the position of the Earth in the solar system in December 2026, when Antares will begin to be visible only at dawn. All the planets except Venus are on the opposite side of Antares. On March 22, 2027, at the first full moon after the equinox, the positions of all the gas planets in the solar system will form a triangle. The planets Neptune, Saturn and Jupiter will be perfectly aligned on the opposite side of the Earth. March 22, 2027 will be exactly Easter, 2,000 years after the death of Jesus. In April 2027, the Earth will be isolated in the solar system, with the rays of Antares hitting it full on, until July. There will be no gas planets to protect us from cosmic rays. On December 9, 2026, at 11:40 a.m., a strange phenomenon will be visible in the sky. The probable supernova Antares will be in conjunction with the Sun and the Moon, to form a triangle. The Moon, perhaps due to X-rays and gamma rays, will have a halo and will be visible during the day. Before the explosion, a large flux of neutrinos will be detected by the probes. It is also likely that there will be an increasing number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Neutrinos are generated by cosmic rays. The date of the explosion, according to the graphs in the previous video and the following ones, will be exactly 7 years after the fall in brightness of Betelgeuse, which occurred at the end of 2019, December 2026. After about 4 months, there will be the first large flow of cosmic rays. But many more will follow for about 3 years. The change in electric potential in the magnetic field of the solar system will be so strong that it will compress the Sun, increasing its gravitational force. Asteroids in the belt between Mars and Jupiter will be attracted towards the Sun, passing through the Earth's orbit. All the planets starting from Mars, Earth, Venus and Mercury will be bombarded by these objects. The effects of the supernova are very similar to those caused by the position of the Earth in the local bubble. But unfortunately, due to the large flow of cosmic rays, they will be very harmful to the point of causing the disappearance of all humanity. For this reason, it is very important to have followed the previous videos that explain the real effects. Volcanic eruptions and disastrous earthquakes. Darkening of the sky and falling temperatures. Unbreathable air and acidic water. Insufficient food due to lack of crops. Because of this, there will be pandemics and epidemics in every part of the world. The first probable event will be a supervolcano, most likely Yellowstone. Life from that moment will change radically: lack of food and energy, inflation, small glacial period. But unfortunately, this will only be the beginning. More earthquakes and eruptions will follow, and perhaps even asteroids will fall. It will be very unlikely that anyone will be able to survive. But there is hope. The planet Jupiter, starting in December 2029, will begin to position itself between the Earth and the supernova. The planet's strong magnetic field will attenuate the last, most intense and lethal group of cosmic rays. It will probably be enough to save part of humanity. Supernovas set a time limit for civilizations to develop in the galaxy. If a civilization reaches higher levels of knowledge and awareness, then it manages to save itself. In our case, perhaps, we will not be completely destroyed and a new world awaits us. This video concludes the series dedicated to the astronomical aspect. According to the calculations and evidence, very hard times await us. Someone wanted to warn us, with love, there is no doubt about it. The next videos will deal with the spiritual aspect with all the biblical references. The entire series of videos, the evidence, has a very specific final purpose. To fully understand the latest clips, it is necessary to listen to the previous ones. In practice, it is a path that will lead the visitor to take note of future events, and take the appropriate steps. The first group of video brings astronomical evidence, while the second group has biblical references. So we invite you to follow the first video of the second group of the series, The Evidence, Calculations of the Biblical End Times.